This is one of my favorite Tacoma trim levels. This is the 24 Tacoma Limited in bronze oxide. Woo! Hybrid. I love the new Tacoma redesign, and if you do too, go to the forums of 4gtaco.com and 6thgen4runner.com. As a matter of fact, you can go to 250landcruiser.com as well. That way you get to chat, interact with, post in the forums for 4gtaco.com, 6gen4runner.com, and 250landcruiser.com. Check them out. One of the things that draws me in right here, the chrome front grille. So this one's got more features, technology, multimedia. It's truly worthy of the moniker Limited. You're about to see where I'm filming. I'm in a secluded nature environment, right? Or I'm behind Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh. That's where I am right here. It's amazing what you can do with a landscape when you put your mind to it. In this video, we got our exterior walk around. We're gonna get our interior first look, and then we're gonna go section by section so you can learn everything that's special about this particular one. This one has a lot of power. It's gonna be the first thing I really like about this one. It is really cold here right now, but this is hot. 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque with the iForce Max. That's amazing. This truck specifically has the fallen leaves package. You can notice 2 of them right there. You might see some others scattered across the car, inside and out. Hopefully not inside, but that's an extra $73.72. How about a 2.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine? Woo! 8-speed automatic transmission. Woo, foreigner had it right. It is cold as ice. It's willing to sacrifice my love. But then Buster Poindexter said, this is hot, hot, hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot. So think about that. This is an amazing powertrain, but guess what? Because it's the Limited hybrid, then it has full-time 4-wheel drive, which is different from the iForce engine that's not hybridized. That would be part-time 4. Interesting. This has 4-wheel disc brakes. That's amazing. I love it on this generation. It also has coil spring multi-link rear suspension. Amazing. No more leaf springs on this one. Whoo, I like that. And the Limited right here has adaptive variable suspension. So it tightens up when you need it to, smooth sailing when you need it to as well. And I know you don't believe me about the coil spring suspension. So look right here. There it is. I see it all coiled up. 18.2 gallon fuel tank on the driver's side. Fuel mileage averages 24, 23 in the city, 24 on the highway. Talk about blinged out. How about this chrome grille? 24 karat magic in the air, says Bruno Mars. It's got a brushed Toyota symbol here. Beautiful. And see the front camera? That's the panoramic view monitor, so you can see all the way around your vehicle wherever you're traveling. Rigid fog lights. That's impressive. Front parking sensor, rear parking sensor. Let's walk around all the way. Look, functional airflow. LED headlights with daytime running lights and LED fog lights. Tacoma there. Very nice. If you want to remove this air dam, you can. It's there for fuel efficiency. Look at that. So you can remove it. It's just 9 bolts. I've done it. Look at this. The sequential turn signals. Woo! Very cool. And then look, I love these wheels. They are shined out. Woo! That's cool. Now that's bling. 265 65 R18. Nice. Color keyed. We got bronze oxide around the fenders. iForce Max. Toyota's very proud of this powertrain right here. Turn signal. And we've got chrome around the mirrors. More cameras. There's the blind spot indicator. Look, chrome on the door handles with black. Bronze oxide as well. Power running boards. Look at this. That is nice. We're up, we're down. It's a really good looking truck. Have you gotten used to the new generation? Do you like the previous generations? Let me know in the comments section. How about this right here? We got the power sliding horizontal window there. And then, oh, got the turn signal. That is cool too. Look at this, a bed step. That comes out. Oh, nice. So the liftgate goes down from both sides. It also goes up from both sides. You can see LED bed lights right here. Towing capacity on this one is going to be 6,000 pounds. The highest towing capacity on a 24 Tacoma, 6,500 pounds. Some things that I noticed here, it's got the aluminum reinforced composite bed. This one has the liner on it. Look at that deck rail system, LED lights. We've got tie downs all around, like right here, for example. And then heading over here, oh, we've got power. That's right, we definitely have power. 2,400 watts of power. 2,400 watts of power in the air. Here we go, and a storage pocket. Secret pocket time. What is in here, do you think? Not an air compressor, no, but it is a way to plug in USBs, 12-volt circular, and look, a little pocket where you can store a guinea pig. And you gotta feed it though. But yeah, it can fit there nice and fine. Pop these in here. Which power would be best for you? It isn't a secret that there's not a lot of leg room in the back here for full-size adults. I've got this one just about all the way back. Still got room, but my knees are definitely touching. Got good headroom, I think. So listen to this. Is it solid? Yeah, pretty solid. We do have to move around a little bit to get over here. I've got a little hump here. The seats are very comfortable. I'll tell you about the seating material in just a minute. And then this one is a little bit more forward, and I do have more room. I like having the grip handle right here. Woo! To get in and out. Going on inside here, because it's the hybrid, it does not have under-seat storage like the non-hybrids do. And then we can pop this sucker down, and you can see there's storage behind both seats. JBL speakers. Very nice. Very nice. Look at the window space. If you don't have backseat passengers, I suggest taking off the headrest so you can have even better visibility. 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster behind the steering wheel. Lots of information there. 14-inch, woo, multimedia screen. That's Toyota Audio Multimedia. USB-C's, 2,400 watts of power. Plug it in. Cup holders. And then we got, look, a seat pocket. I wish this one had 2 seat pockets. Why are the Notes 2 seat pockets? Tell me why. This is Softex seating. The front seats are heated and ventilated. Look at this. A wood accent trim here. Soft touch. This is not soft touch, not soft touch. Bottle opening. Joker. Oh yeah, look at this right here. I love this. You can put things in here and it kind of looks cool. I like the grippy right here. And look, this is soft touch. In the back seat, they got gypped. They did not get any. Woo, look at that. Soft touch there. They didn't get that. Here we go. Tacoma, T-A-C-O-M-A. I like that in the gloss black there. And then this right here, storage. Ooh, USB-C, interesting. Do you like the vent size? Do you like the, ooh, look at that, it has wheel locks. Nice. Do you like the glove box size? This seat right here goes up and down pretty darn quick. Twist turns, 4-way lumbar support, impressive. Good bolstering on the sides here. Moonroof. This is really squishy, so it's not hard and it doesn't push way forward. See, that's a benefit right there. This is a good looking interior. Big changes coming for this one, and I'm glad they were here. I've wanted the interior redone for a long time. So you can hook things in, tie them down, grippy, soft touch right here, maybe armrest kind of thing. I wish this was a little bit deeper storage pocket, but that's okay. It is what it is. Nice deep cup holders here. The view, so we can talk about our opinions. No, not that kind of view. Oh, Def Leppard, pour some sugar on me. Step inside, walk this way. What does the driver's side get that the passenger side doesn't? Well, you can adjust your windows, control all the locks. JBL speaker there. I like it. It's very nice. And then look, more of that accent piece here. This is how you put out your power running boards. And then you can have the spotlight in the back too. Maybe some extra switches here. This says accessory ready. And you could put something in there. Look at this, we can go up, we can go down. I just realized I just did a Joe Rady thing. You could wash it down with a Yoo-hoo too. Love Joe. All right, look at this. Check out Rady's rides, by the way. I'm sure you already do. He has 1 million followers on YouTube. Very impressive. So do you like the pattern here? Leather wrap steering wheel. Very nice. This is for the power tailgate. You can do it right from the back and right from the front. Good horn here. 10 different JBL speakers, subwoofer, amplifier, And look, a portable speaker. So I could take this out, put it up here, jam out on my own Bluetooth if I want to. And then we'll just pop that sucker back in. This has the head-up display. That means we can see different pieces of information here. It's camouflaged in, but you can adjust your, look at that, radar cruise, the distance between you and cars in front of you. We can see our speed. You can see a lot of information actually. And 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. So that means we can adjust this using OK, and we can use these going across here. Lane departure alert, blind spot monitor, pre-collision system, proactive driving assist. This is with it off. And then this will be with it on. Nice. Flame on. Parking sensors, rear cross traffic alert. Oh, that's for the braking and detection in the back. Road sign assist, vehicle settings. So if I push this, it can tell you when you need to take a break. Trailer information here, and then meter settings, that's the one I like. Hold down OK on the steering wheel. Go to meter type, you can have 2 gauges, 1 gauge, or just a little baby. I like to have the 2. My wife likes having 1 on her Highlander Hybrid Platinum. So do we want sporty? Do we want tough? Going gets tough. The tough get going. The one I always put it on is smart, but you could do it on any of them. So we can also go across, let's see. Let's hold that down. Go to settings, message, blank. So you can customize this. Driving support information, adaptive cruise, and look, I can go over here and pick your information that you want. Nice. So watch this. See this right here? See those lines right there? That means you can customize what you put on this side. So I'm going to go over to the right. Okay, look. And then which ones do you want to have on there? You can pick and choose. Just push OK for the ones you want. For the ones you don't want, I want the traction monitor added. I don't want the pitch and roll. Just kidding, I do. And then you could do the same thing. You have to hold it down to go to the next. Imagine a trifold brochure. So you go over, and if I want to go over one more to the left, I can pick and choose the kind of information I want to see over here. Fuel economy, driving support, navigation, drive info, all that kind of stuff. You can organize it based on what you want to see. And remember how I told you that this is, oh, look at this, 4-wheel drive, full-time 4-wheel drive. So you won't see 2-wheel there at all. Let's check out this. Put it in reverse. Oh, look at this. Very, very good clarity here. And look, it says, be careful. There's smoke behind you. That's cool. All right, so look, I can go forward, backward. I can do along the sides in the front, along the sides in the back. The bed cam, hashtag bed cam. That is so cool. And then you push this one, and look, you can, what does this do? Oh, that goes back. Okay. How about this? This. Ooh. Honestly, I like them all. This is really cool. Got trailer backup guide here, electronic parking brake, brake hold, storage for whatever you want. I see USB-Cs, 12-volt circular, and a wireless charger. I like these nice big chunky dials here. Tactile, they're very cool. Heated steering wheel, yes, I have it on today. It's cold. 28 degrees it says. Very nice display here. I like the physical volume. I can't hold back, I'm on the edge. I wish it was Guns N' Roses. Digital rear view mirror, my favorite feature. I love this. So you can see all the way around. You have to get used to it though. At nighttime, it'll mess with people's heads as you're getting used to it. Home link for garage door opener programming. And then look, I can go Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both wireless. Trip information we can do. We can check general information here. We can check display, sound, and media. That would be how you'd adjust your tuning. Vehicle customized, lights, door controls. Just pick the ones you want. Custom drive modes. Oh yeah, we should probably do the drive mode, shouldn't we? Let's go over here. Do you want Eco, Comfort, Normal, Sport S, Sport S Plus? That's the one for more adrenaline. I would probably choose, honestly, Comfort. That's for me personally, but you could pick the one you want to. Sunglass holder, yes, check, it's there. Light. This is for the back window. Just like that. All right, let's open this up and see how far it opens. Excellent. Very cool. And then it's got SOS for Safety Connect. You can do voice commands. To do the voice commands on Toyota Audio Multimedia, you have to do the wake up message, and it has the word Toyota in it, but you have to say hey before that, hi, okay, and hello. Hello, Toyota. Tune to Sirius XM Channel 9.
Tuning to Sirius XM Channel 9.
Okay, Toyota. Turn down the driver temperature.
Setting the driver's temperature.
If she says turn down for what, I'm going to freak out. And then you don't even have to pause. You can say, hey, Toyota, turn to Sirius XM Channel 10. Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Here's the window sticker. So Tacoma Limited, hybrid vehicle, made in Mexico, 4x4, double cab. Look at this. This is interesting. It's bronze oxide, but on the window sticker it says oxide bronze metallic. Look at this gas mileage here. 24 combined. 23 city, 24 highway. Standard features in this column. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. The latest safety features. Head-up display. Excellent. Soft text trims. Seats. JBL speakers. JBL Flex. The rigid fog lights, those are additional from the regional assembly port. You might want to get those. Very cool. This one's at Fred Anderson Toyota. You can check them out at fredandersontoyota.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. What do you think about the Tacoma Limited? Are you a fan? How about that bronze oxide color, huh? That's impressive. And remember to go to the forums of 4gtaco.com, 6thgen4runner.com, and don't forget the new forum, 250landcruiser.com, where you can interact with fans, loyalists, owners, people who just like them. All right, guys, I'm at Toyota Jeff Reviews, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And I'm at Auto Jeff Reviews, my second channel that looks at all brands, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. I am the Lorax. I speak for the trees. See you next time. And if you'd like more Tacoma content, click on either Tacoma's playlist or 24 Tacoma's playlist. You'll get all about your favorite midsize truck. See you next time.